So my brother, if you look your boat, hit boat very well. Be taking care of your hand blower. So I don't forget asking that you must remove your CMO battery. CMO battery, that is BIOS battery. You must remove that. My brother, don't forget, if you want to more information and hardware and software computers, how you want to operate your system, how you want to repair your system, subscribe my channel. The register is free. Writing Arewa computers at YouTube, and then subscribe my channel. Don't forget, it's better than your email address at your phone is logging. But if you don't have a email address, the register is not so successful. And then it is better to log your email address. So if you look, I'll hit my board. So sometime AMD system was making the display problem. Sometimes even the Intel was showing the problem. So the main problem, the system is no display. So when you lose your board and come out everything to washing your board, and then sheet your BGA. This is a BGA and display IC. You sheet your board and then to keep your board at 30 minutes or 20 minutes or 10 minutes, and then you will try to your system. If you look here, my brothers, you see my blower is blowing. So be taking care of your blower. Thank you and watch my video. See you for next time.